Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to receive immediate email notifications from Upwork. Why would you want to know how to receive immediate email notifications from Upwork? Well, maybe it is your first time using Upwork and not sure how to receive immediate email notifications from Upwork. So today I am going to show you how to receive email notifications from Upwork. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. If you are not receiving email notifications in time, how you can do that? The process is very simple. First of all, open any browser. Type upwork.com in search bar. Now you are seeing your profile in right corner. Click on it. Now click on profile settings. Scroll down. Click on notification settings. Here in email section, you are seeing two options, all activity and after 15 minutes. Click on 15 minutes and select immediate. Your setting will be updated and you will receive immediate email notifications from Upwork. There you go. If you wanted to know how to receive immediate email notifications from Upwork, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.